Embracing the 2024 Christmas home decoration trends. As the holiday season approaches, it's time to deck the halls with the latest and greatest in Christmas home decor. The year 2024 brings a fresh wave of trends that combine tradition with modern flair, creating a festive atmosphere that's both timeless and on-trend. Join us as we unwrap the top Christmas decoration trends for 2024 that promise to infuse your home with holiday cheer. 1. Eco-friendly elegance. Sustainability takes center stage this Christmas. Embrace eco-friendly decor by opting for reusable and natural materials. Consider handmade ornaments, biodegradable wrapping paper, and potted plants as festive centerpieces. Incorporating sustainable choices into your holiday decor not only aligns with the spirit of the season, but also contributes to a greener, more responsible celebration. 2. Dramatic color palettes. Move beyond the traditional red and green color scheme. Experiment with rich and dramatic palettes such as deep burgundy, navy blue, and emerald green. These sophisticated hues add a touch of opulence to your holiday decor while maintaining a sense of warmth and festivity. 3. Vintage revival. Nostalgia takes the spotlight with a resurgence of vintage-inspired Christmas decor. Dust off heirloom ornaments, antique glass baubles, and retro-inspired figurines. Blend the old with the new for a charming and sentimental ambiance that resonates with the magic of Christmas past. 4. Minimalist magic. Embrace a minimalist approach to Christmas decor with sleek and streamlined designs. Opt for simple yet elegant ornaments, uncluttered wreaths, and clean-lined stockings. The beauty of minimalism lies in its ability to create a serene and sophisticated holiday setting that radiates with understated elegance. 5. Nature's bounty. Bring the outdoors in with a nod to nature-inspired decor. Adorn your home with wreaths made from dried flowers, pine cones, and eucalyptus branches. Incorporate garlands of fresh greenery for a fragrant and organic touch that captures the essence of a winter wonderland. 6. LED brilliance. Upgrade your Christmas lighting with energy-efficient LED options. Create dazzling displays with string lights, fairy lights, and LED-lit ornaments. These modern lighting solutions not only save energy but also provide a brilliant and long-lasting glow that enhances the festive ambiance. 7. Global influences. Explore Christmas traditions from around the world by incorporating global influences into your decor. Think Scandinavian-inspired hygge elements, Moroccan lanterns, or Japanese origami ornaments. This eclectic approach adds a unique and worldly flair to your holiday home.
8. Personalized keepsakes. Infuse your Christmas decor with personal touches that tell your unique story. Create personalized ornaments with family photos, monogrammed stockings, or DIY wreaths adorned with cherished mementos. These sentimental touches make your home's holiday decor truly one of a kind. This Christmas, let your home be a canvas for the latest trends that blend tradition with contemporary style. From eco-conscious choices to dramatic color palettes and vintage charm, the trends of 2024 promise to make your holiday decor as unforgettable as the memories you create. May your home be filled with warmth, joy, and the magic of the season.